You tell me. What shape is it? That's right. Wow, Jaden, that is beautiful. You're doing a great job on that. You too, Ruby. What are you making over there? Yeah, you will when we switch. What are you making?
A bunny rabbit.
Is that a bunny rabbit?
I do it. I just do it. That was on
Grayson, is it Abigail's turn?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Pour this.
Tyland, what are you guys doing over here?
Yeah. Which one do you want? I want a shape.
Really?
That's a square.
Show me the square.
I don't know. Oh, that's a boat. Hey, we're doing.
Claire, can you help him find the square?
That's not silly.
What is that?
I don't know how to do this. It's so hard.
Is it hard? I think you're doing a great job, Ruby. Can you find a yellow piece?
Square.
Where does the yellow piece go? Where does it go? Excellent. Good job. That is where the yellow piece goes, Ruby. Good. Wow, you're doing a nice design. And what is the other one? A boat. Good job.